Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add crypto in Telegram wallet. See, so how to add crypto in Telegram wallet, here as an editor, open your Telegram app, click on these three lines in the left top corner of the screen. If you click on it, then you click on the wallet option on Telegram, then Telegram wallet app, you launch your Telegram. Once that's launched, you click on this second option right here, which is add crypto. Click on the plus icon top. Then click on it, then you have two options where you can add cryptos to Telegram wallet. First method option is by going to the P2P market. And what is P2P market? P2P market is another platform where you can buy from other people, other verified buyers from Telegram. Telegram has highly reputable verified sellers or buyers who sell or buy the wallet on your cryptocurrency from you, so you can exchange it. So if you want to add from them, then you can just click on it and go through the process, then you pay them, then release the coin to you. Or probably if you don't want to use this method, you can simply use this external wallet option. Just click on this external wallet and click on which particular crypto assets you want to receive. Then let's say I want Bitcoin. Just click on the Bitcoin app, then copy the wallet, then I'll copy the wallet address. Then I'll paste it. You can see click on copy, you can see copy address, copy, then you paste it to person that wants to add or where you want to buy, you want to receive the Bitcoin asset from. Once you do that, then once the person releases the coin, just go back to the main page, then refresh, then the coin is going to, and that is how to add crypto to the video. So I can